Welcome, and for me is a HUAWEI Y7 2019, and I'll show you how to get into the recovery mode. So you will need a cable ready, plug it into the computer, and start by powering up the device, like so. And once it's off, hold the volume up button right here. So I'll hold it, and now I'll take the cable, and while I'm holding it, I'll plug it in. Okay, and as you can see, now we're in recovery mode. And from here you can download the latest version of recovery, wipe and do a factory reset, reboot, or shut down the phone. And I'm just gonna tap on reboot. So yeah, this is how you enter the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.